fall a little bit more in love with you every day. In you, I have found my soulmate.
How long are you gonna stay with me? Forever.
You're my best friend in the world!
Yeah, you're more than that, Gemma. It's always gonna be there, isn't it? You and me.
First love, you remember what that's like?
Yeah, I remember.
Little ghost, you're listening.
Your art matters.
Unlike most, you
It's what got me here.
You are brave and honorable and kind.
Because I'm pretty sure that every minute of every day you've been stuck in a lab right beside me.
No one sees me.
I am not a good man.
You have something good.
Yes, you are.
I could.
Hidden inside of you. You're not alone.
You've always loved the
She's perfect because Rita is, in her own way, as damaged as me.
I miss talking to you.
I know that I can always count on you.
And I'm not ready to stop.
You've always
I
loved the strange
You were right about our story not being finished.
You're always gonna be there.
Tell me what I can do.
My wounded wings still beating. You've always
She's the love of my life. I'd go back to her in a heartbeat. Robin shouldn't be with Barney, she should be with me. I love you, only you, and I love you. You mean a lot more to me than you know. You have never looked so beautiful.
We're getting back together, one.
She's a part of me.
Together.
Together.
Or not all.
I want you by my side.
Could you help, whatever it is? Chris is the one who cares about wolves, not me.
Just know there's always a spot next to me on this couch.
I always knew you.
It's you and me, Stefan. She led me to a man who she said I was destined to be with. Always.
I love you. I've always loved you.
I want everything with you. I was just a part of that world.
She can always hear me, Doctor.
Can you hear me?
Always.
You love me?
I love you.
It's a simple question.
It's not a simple answer.
I thought I was alone. You're not alone.
We both go crazy. We'll go crazy together, right?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Whoever you want me to be.
That's why you have to marry Raja.
You abandoned me!
What was I supposed to do? Wait for you? You weren't coming back.
Eve is gone.
See you on the other side.
You did it!
We did it.
I knew you could do it.
I love you.
I'm following you now for the rest of my life.
Like this will ever be over. Until my last breath, I will remember.
You want a second chance from that one?
A second chance.
You know I would do anything for you.
I would do anything for you too.
You look so great, I love you.
I kind of wish something could happen between us. And I know it can't.
It still feels like an open wound.
You make her feel like she's not a mistake at all. Like she's better for being different. So much more to you than you know.
I can't just turn back time. Because we're done.
You were right about one thing.
It's Eric.
I wouldn't like the real you.
Works for me.
What do you say we team up again?
And that's why I love you.
I love you too.
I have loved you ever since I've known you, Joe. I couldn't help it.
You're different.
How have I got Rory?
Different bad.
Bad for me. I lose her, I lose everything. You are everything to me. Everything. You're the whole of my heart.
I can touch her, Elena. I can kiss her again. I should have told you every day from the moment I met you. I've always loved her. I love you.
I wish we had more time together.
If I've learned one thing, it's that we never know what the future holds.
Because I love you.
Yeah, that's right, Stefan, because you love me. You'll fight because after everything that we've been through, you owe me that.
You're always saving me.
Somebody's got to.
My name is Kate.
Richard.
I want to fly into your
You woke up a weakness inside me.
I want want to be heard.
And I'm really sorry.
I told you from the moment I met you there is more to you, Eric.
The rest, I suppose, you'll have to wait and see what happens.
I can't make you wait for me. I'm not going to do that.
You don't have to, because I know we're going to be together.